Honorable Minister for IT and Panchayat Raj, Mr. Ramarao Garu, fondly called KTR by all of us. He is a young Telangana tiger, and Raghuttam Rao, all the participants. On behalf of FAPSI, I extend my warm greetings to all of you. Friends, first day of this conclave, you heard several speakers. You have your own ideas to formulate for financial sector. I would like to share my views and FAPSI's views. Friends, I would like to tell you, world is dynamic and growth centers are moving from one direction to the other. And Picky has rightly thought South is the now growth center. Perhaps if you go back to the history, North enjoyed much before or during the Mughals, and British time, East had their own hay, and West, after the independence, West had their own bright times. And now, South India is an opportunity where growth centers are emerging. I think most of you are very much learned and you are fully aware of this fact. For several years we are talking of financial inclusions, but we are only talking, but we are not proactively taking up this issue from all the platforms to the government and see that all financial inclusions, all the items, whichever we suggest, they should be taken to the financial. Now new government has come, new financial minister has come. Now this is the time where we have to raise and represent our matters in a way where we can think where our things can be done in a manner which we like and which can create a growth. As Minister said, IT is the backbone for everything. Everyone is aware. Today we are recognizing it. And in every field, IT is the backbone. IT is the growth center. IT is the main nuclei. This is with IT innovations only growth can happen. This we are accepted and we are personally looking at it. Sitting here, we can do business anywhere with a lot of regulatory, with a lot of corrections. Friends, second day you are here and everyone is aware that finance is the main sector, plays a vital role in accelerating growth and development of the economy. The complexity of the dynamics of growth and development generates new dimensions, new demands, creativity on financial sector to meet this challenge. This means financial inclusiveness is very much necessary. Worldwide experience confirms that countries with well-developed and market-oriented financial systems have grown faster and more steadily than those who are weaker and closely regulated systems. The finance sector is general and banking system in particular in many developing countries have been plagued by various systemic problems, which necessitated drastic structural changes as also a reorientation approach for order to develop more efficient and well-functioning financial system. The reforms in India financial sector, which has initiated in 1991, now this is the time where a second phase has to be started. Through this platform, we have to send certain recommendations to the government to see that second phase, unfortunately, second phase we missed out. Now this is the time where we have to realize and raise this bogey.